He hit that sidewalk, guys.
We just trying to get it out the circle. I feel like I'm gonna get it fixed.
You already know who it is, man. JamesAtkinsTv. Hit that like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. JATV. What is going on, YouTube? It's your boy, man, JamesAtkinsTv, and thanks in advance for tapping in with your boy in today's vlog. And guess what, guys? You see the title, you see the thumbnail. We're at SRT Bree's annual car show, I believe. We rode in with daily driven ATL Exotic. They got a special VIP section for us up here. Tour with the cold start, warm start, and we're actually going to continue getting staged. We've already parked and got situated, but there's more to come. So let's go ahead and get directly into this video. All right, guys. So let me go ahead and show you first the cars that pulled up with us with the daily driven exotic group. I think we're about 8 or 9 deep. So let me show you these cars first. More cars are starting to fill in and pile in as the day goes on. Obviously, we were just on the inside, but let's get more into this video, all right? Hit it one more time, George. Yeah, man, that sounds good. Custom exhaust that George built, man. Look at there. Titanium all the way throughout.
Titanium isn't like that really high-pitched sound.
Right.
I just wanted it to
Really
be different,
exotic
unique. Yeah, it's just different sound. But I want to put all that shit back in there. I don't think it looks right with all that mesh taken out of it.
You guys gotta go check out George on his Instagram. Tell me your Instagram, George.
Instagram is GMG_performance.
There we go.
Oh yeah, absolutely. I leave all this shit off because you didn't got no break. Because you
look
don't know
forward to seeing more George on the channel, man. We got some content coming for sure. Guys, I will say that I don't know if y'all knew this already, but SRT Bree is definitely bringing the Mopars out for sure. I feel like our Corvettes are finally somewhere around a lot more domestics. But I'm gonna show you guys kind of what's out here right now. There's a lot of other vloggers and stuff too, so yeah, let's see. they're gonna set up a sliding pit. I don't know if they're gonna do it in time before we actually leave, as the exotic crew leaves out. But if they do set up the sliding pit while we're here, I do have the drone with me, guys. I am going to set up the drone and get some drone shots. So let's see. This time, hopefully, we're not close to anything that's gonna give us a non-authorization, so we can fly the drone today.
Why they spinning? They ain't ready for this competition. She need to come out here and get that shit started.
You better know how to drive to do that. You gotta know how to drive to do that. Boy, say he got the Rubicon. He going right over the curb. Boy, great.
Few moments later.
Oh! Damn!
That's gonna be a bill I don't want to pay. Hurry, boy, you better get that shit told.
Push this shit out the way. Who's that?
Right. Push this shit out the way.
We gotta get the damage. You hit that sidewall, guys.
We just trying to get it out the circle. I feel like I'm gonna get it fixed.
Stop it. Get some help.
Yes, tough.
Yeah, you did go fine now. Damn, I was sliding down on God.
That right there.
I'm a cry in the car. They probably could wash it off.
Are you stupid or something?
YouTube, guys, I think that is actually going to wrap it up for today. As you can tell, they're still sliding. I got a lot of content that I got to go through and edit and make some changes too. But it was a great turnout for what it was worth. SRT Bree seems like she's having a very good time at her event. Didn't get a chance to really chop it up with her because she's actually, I think, shooting some type of scene or she's doing some type of content. Nonetheless, man, if you're still tapped in, still tuned in, if you like anything in this video, be sure to hit a thumbs up on this video. I got a 30 like goal for this video, so let's get 30 likes for this video, all right? Drop a comment down below on who slid the best cars you probably seen out here. And of course, last but not least, make sure you hit the subscribe button, find your way back to more James Atkins TV content. And until next time, ladies and gentlemen, man, it's your boy James Atkins TV. We out.